Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. So are you ready to give your toilet an adorable and fresh scented upgrade? Then I have the product for you. These toilet stamps from JAVCO will completely change the way you clean your toilet. Now I have 2 teenagers, a husband, and a lot of friends and guests, and my 2 toilets get a lot of action. And I have been consistently impressed with how well these toilet stamps hold up to the abuse. They make my toilet smell fresh and keep it clean for up to a week. Then, when I'm ready to scrub it and start over, I don't even have to use toilet cleaner. I can simply use my toilet brush to remove the flowers. It gets all sudsy and foamy and cleans the toilet. And then I simply flush it all away and put new flowers in. It's perfect. The whole kit comes with 8 different scents and colors and 2 pushing rods. I have used these for about a month and I still have a lot left to use in the future. I absolutely love the cute flower design that lasts for over a week before they start to disappear. The colors are bright, the scents are pleasant and fragrant with fruity smells as well as florals, and you can mix and match to make your own little toilet masterpiece. These are just fantastic and I will buy them over and over again. And that's my point of view.